plants play a vital role in nature and offer numerous benefits to the human body. From providing essential nutrients to promoting overall well-being, here are some key aspects of the science of plants and their benefits to the body. 1. Nutritional value. Many plants are rich sources of essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and dietary fibers. Fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes are examples of plant-based foods that provide a wide array of nutrients necessary for maintaining good health. 2. Antioxidants. Plants contain compounds known as antioxidants, such as vitamins C and E, beta-carotene, and various phytochemicals. Antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress, which is linked to aging, chronic diseases, and certain types of cancer. 3. Phytochemicals are biologically active compounds found in plants that have potential health benefits. These compounds, including flavonoids, polyphenols, and alkaloids, can have anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and immune-boosting effects. 4. Fiber. Plant-based foods are excellent sources of dietary fiber, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber aids in preventing constipation, promoting regular bowel movements, and supporting gut health. 5. Heart health. Many plants, particularly whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, are associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. They can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve overall cardiovascular health. 6. Weight management. A diet rich in plant-based foods can contribute to weight management and weight loss. These foods are often lower in calories and fat, making them suitable for individuals looking to maintain a healthy weight. 7. Immune support. Certain plants, like citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens, are high in vitamins and minerals that support the immune system. Vitamin C, for example, is known for its immune-boosting properties. 9. Bone health. Plants can contribute to bone health by providing nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K. Leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and fortified plant-based milk alternatives are good sources of these nutrients. 10. Mental well-being. Certain plants, such as herbs like lavender and chamomile, have been traditionally used to promote relaxation and reduce stress. The act of gardening and being in nature itself can also have positive effects on mental health. 11. Digestive health. Fermented plant-based foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi contain beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. 12. Hydration. ***. Many fruits and vegetables have high water content, contributing to hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining bodily functions and overall health. It's important to note that a balanced and diverse diet is key to reaping the benefits of plants for the body. Incorporating a variety of colorful fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes into your diet can contribute to overall well-being and better health outcomes.